Hey, what is up you guys? Okay, today we're going to be doing a tutorial for Love Not Wrong by Eden from the new Vertical album. Okay, absolutely beautiful song. Listening to it earlier and I was like, I've got to get a tutorial up for this. Alright, it's pretty simple. Alright, so for you beginners, you should be able to pick this up pretty quick. As most of you who've been following my channel recently know, I did get myself a computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try a new style of tutorial where I'm going to break each section down. So I'm going to have one section of the video that's going to be the chords that you will need. So it means if you are a bit more advanced and you're happy with the chords, you can skip that part. Then it's going to be verse, chorus, all these other things. So we'll break it down that way and we'll see what you guys think, if that way is better for you. If not, I can always revert back to the original way of just standing here and just doing one continuous video teaching you guys, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get straight into it with what chords you're going to need. Okay, so the first chord you're going to need is an E minor. Okay, now to play an E minor, all you're going to do is you're going to take your second finger, you're going to place it on the second fret of your fifth string, and you're going to take your third finger, and you're going to place it right underneath on the second fret of your fourth string. Okay, so that is your E minor right there, guys. Alright. Remember to curl those fingers, alright? Remember to curl those fingers so we're not getting any muty sounds. Okay, so that's your E minor. That's your first chord. Okay, now your second chord is a B minor. Okay, now this is a bar chord. Alright, so if you're not sure about bar chords, I do have a tutorial on my channel teaching you guys how to do the basics of bar chords and learn from there. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to use your first finger to bar from the fifth string down on the second fret. Alright, what I mean by bar is that you've got to press down every single string. Okay, you've got to get a clear sound from every single string. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your third finger, you're going to put it on the fourth fret of your fourth string. You're going to take your fourth finger, you're going to put it on the fourth fret of your third string. And your second finger is going to go in the middle here on the third fret on your second string. Just like that, guys, okay? So there's your B minor chord. Okay? Alright, next we have an A. Okay, we're going to play the A this way. So you're going to place your second, third and fourth fingers all on the second fret on your second, third and fourth strings. Nice and simple. Just like that, guys. Alright? Just like that. So that's your A. Got a G. Okay, the G is going to be a bar chord. Okay, for this. So remember that shape you just played for your B minor? Yeah? Take that whole shape, move it up one string, every finger up one string and across one fret. Exactly the same shape, but on the third fret, barring all 6 strings. Okay? So there's your B minor, up, and slide across. There's your G, bar chord. A D. Okay, now to play a D, you're going to take your first finger, put it on the second fret of your third string. Your second finger is going to go on the second fret of your first string, and third is going to go onto the third fret of the second string. Like so. Alright, so there's your D. Okay, so that's your D chord. And last but not least, the F sharp minor bar chord. Okay, again, remember that G and that B minor? Yeah, take the B minor, move it up one whole string, take away that second finger. There's your F sharp minor for this song. Okay, so that's all the chords you're going to need, guys. Okay, so it's an E minor, a B minor, an A, a G, a D, and an F sharp minor. Okay, so that's the chords. Now, let's move on to the verse, okay? Okay, so for the verse up until the chorus, okay, Eden, doing what Eden does best, has decided that he doesn't want to play in any kind of sequence or pattern in any kind of way, shape or form. I've done what I can to try to make this as easy for you guys to understand, but to be honest with you, you are going to have to listen to the song and play along, especially because the first part is in piano as well. I've done what I can. Okay, so the first line of the song will sound a little like this. So he sings for a little bit and then it's E minor, B minor to A. Alright? It's not double strums, alright? That's just me giving you guys the time in between each note. So it's... Alright? You can add your own little infills in there, that's what I was doing. Alright, if that's what you just want to do. Alright, so E minor, B minor, and then A. Alright, and then the next line is G, B minor, A. Okay, so far we've got E minor, B minor, A, 3, 4, 5, G, B minor, A, back to E minor, B minor, B minor, A. Okay, so that's that first little section. Okay, and then you have the parts where he's singing and he plays one chord and that plays out for a long time, the singular chord. Okay, so the first bit, E minor, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, E minor, B minor, A. Okay, so this next bit, okay, so what you've got to do is you've got to count in your head 8 beats. Alright, 8 beats to the bar. So his first chord that he'll play is that G, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then on the 1, for your next set of 8, he plays a D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a B minor, okay, again for 8, apart from, he does the first B minor for 6, alright, the second B minor comes in on the 7, okay, through to finish that 8, so he plays 2 B minors in the space of this set, okay, so it's B minor, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then to an A on that 1. Alright, I know it's complex, I've tried my best to make it as simple as possible for you guys, okay, so we'll repeat that again together. Okay, so it's G to D, B minor, A. Alright, I will do the timings if you guys just want to play along, okay, so get that G shape ready, and on 3, right, 1, 2, 3, so G, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, to your D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B minor, 7, 8, to your A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I've tried my absolute utmost to make this as simple as possible. It's Eden style, okay, that's why he's so great at what he does, because his music is different, alright, he does his own thing, he has his own laws, alright, so that is verse 1 up until the chorus, alright, so hopefully that was easy for you guys. If not, you can always just skip back and restart again, alright. Okay, so next, we have the chorus. Okay, so for the chorus, what I've done is I've split it down into 2 sets of 4 chords, okay, so the chords are D, A, B minor, and A for your first set of 4, and your second set is going to give you an F sharp minor, a G, a B minor, and an A. Okay, so what I've done is, if you listen to the song, it's a lot of different finger picking, you know, and every single note is slightly different, okay, every single chord is slightly different, that's because that's what Eden does best. Okay, so I thought to myself, well, rather than sit and teaching you each individual chord, because we will be here for ages, what I thought I would do is I've come up with a nice little melody you can play that sounds almost the same, fits perfectly, and will keep you in time for your chord changes as well. So it is ideal, and you guys can add your own little spin onto it as well. Okay, so for your first chord, the D. Okay, so for this, right, and every other chord in this chorus, the little melody I've come up with is your first thing you're going to do is hit that bass note for each note. Alright, for each chord, hit the bass note. So for your D, it's your 4th string. Okay, then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, and 1, 2, 3 again. Okay, then hit that 2. Alright, and then repeat that. So, alright, and then once you've done that, move on to your next chord, and it will keep you in time with the way that Eden plays. Alright, so you're going to go from your D to your A. Okay, now for your A, the bass note is your 5th string. Same again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, B minor, bass note is the same again, so it's 5. Alright, and A, bass note is also 5. Okay, so for the D, the bass note is 4, your A is 5, B minor is 5, and your A again is 5. Okay, and then for your F sharp minor, okay, your bass note is that 6th fret up there, okay? Alright, same as your G, 6th, okay? Then back to B minor on the 5th, and your A as well on the 5th. Okay guys, so that little strumming pattern is the same for every single chord. Okay, so D, A, B minor, A, F sharp minor, G, B minor, A. Okay, I am going to put notes in that description down below there as well, guys, alright? So if you are a little bit struck and I'm going a little bit fast, check out that description, alright? I will have little notes in there for you guys just to remind you of certain aspects of the song, alright, and this tutorial. Okay, so swiftly moving on. Okay, so for verse number 2, alright? This is the part of the song that sounds a little like this. Okay, so he's playing it on an electric guitar with a bit of distortion in there, alright, but I only have an acoustic, so that's what I'm working with right now, alright? So, basically, this part of the song might sound a bit complex, you know, because it's changing chords quite frequently, or there's some chords that do 4 and some chords that do 2. What I'm going to do is explain everything per bar, okay? So 4 beats to the bar, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that in your head, alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, alright? So, basically, so the first bar, alright, so that first 4 notes is an A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the next bar is split in half by 2 chords. Okay, so B minor, 1, 2 to G, 2, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so B minor to G, and then A again for 4. So the next bar is A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so far we've got A for a bar, B minor for half a bar, G for half a bar, and then A for a full bar again, alright? So this is how I'm going to explain it. When I'm talking about bars, that 4 beats. Okay, so next we have B minor and F sharp minor splitting a bar, so 1, 2, 3, 4, alright? And G for a full bar, A for half a bar, B minor for half a bar, G for a full bar. Okay, then you got B minor for half a bar, A for half a bar. Alright, and I have some good news for you. After this A, there is an E minor, okay, that plays for 4, and every single chord after this E minor is 4 beats, alright? So there's no half bars, there's nothing confusing, alright, it's just an E minor, so, okay, to a G for a bar, alright, then a B minor for a bar, to your A, E minor, to your G, B minor, again, to your A, to your E minor, to your G. Guess what? B minor, to your A, to your E minor again. This time, instead of a G, F sharp minor. Alright? So, as you heard there, okay, that B minor, A, E minor, G plays through, right, 3 times for a bar each, okay? So it's B minor for a bar, A for a bar, E minor for a bar, G for a bar, 3 times in a row, okay? And then on the final playthrough, alright, so you've done your 3 in a row, then you go into your 4th playthrough of it, so it's a B minor again, to your A, and then something happens here, okay, Eden just single strums that E minor. 3, 4, and then that F sharp minor. 2, 3, 4. Alright? And then a G, 3, 4, and an A to finish off. Single strums. Alright? So it's all a little bit fast paced until you hit that 4th time round of that little part, you know, the B minor, the A minor, G. 4th time round, that E minor's calm. Alright? Single note. That F sharp minor, calm. Single note. Alright, G, calm, and A, even calmer than that. So once you get into that kind of G, you're going to want a nice soft low. And then for the A, real soft. Just to bring you in to the pre-chorus, and then the chorus again, and that's you done, guys. Alright, so just a reminder that pre-chorus is that part with the G, 1 through 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, B minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B minor, 7, 8. Alright, so there you have it, guys. That is the entirety of the song. It's broken down best as I can. Alright, as you can probably tell, I decided to try and do some editing skills and see how my editing went. So please leave a comment in that inappropriate place comment section down there, guys. Let me know how you think I got on. Whether you prefer this style of teaching with me breaking each section up, alright, with a little thumbnail type thing in between each section telling you what's coming up, or whether you prefer me to go back to the original way where I just do one continuous video, show you the chords, and then play along, or whatever it is you guys think, because this is the way to do it. Alright, and at the end of the day, you guys think, I do. Right, that's how this works. But anyway, alright, that was Love, Not Wrong, or Brave by Eden. Alright, absolutely beautiful song, nice and easy to play as well. So hopefully this tutorial has been helpful for you. If it has, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there and the little notifications bell as well. So anytime I do get tutorials and covers and live streams going, you guys can get involved, alright? Anyway, I will see you all in my next video, and take care of yourselves. See you soon. Bye-bye.